Hi everyone, I am participating in a Thriftmas in July haul today, and this collab is hosted by Nicole with Nesting Haven, and I will link her channel below so you can check her out. So let's get right to my haul. Okay guys, so a few of the things you may have seen when I shared them in either a haul or another collab that I'm involved with, but I will start with my first item, and it is this Christmas Village tablecloth. It is new in the package, and I really can't remember if I paid $2.99 for it or if it was half price that day, but either way. And the back shows a picture of what it looks like. It does appear to be brand new in the package, never been opened, so I thought that was a great deal on that. Second item is this cute little golden sleigh. It has the snowflake print on it, and it's just adorable. There's the inside. You could decorate this, you could put florals in it, maybe Christmas presents, wrapped candy. So that's what it looks like. Thought that was really, really cute. And I will leave this as is. I'm not going to paint this one or anything. And I found these items. I don't really know that they're Christmas decor, but I thought you could use them. They're just little ornamental decor pieces, and they were half off that day, so they were $1 each. And here's the other one. Oh, and the sleigh was half off that day, so I paid $1.50 for it. But all of these are $1.50 each. I just thought they were different, unique. And this is the last one. This one's a pear. I'm not really sure. This may be an apple. I don't know. But this is definitely a pear. Okay, now my next 6 items are men. Have a lot of men in this haul. So the first one is this candle holder. It's the 3 Wise Men. This is the one that's a little wonky. There is a screw of some sort down in there, so I may be able to get that tightened up. But they have like a lot of detail. There's some wax on it. I need to clean these up, and I may go back and spray paint them again in the gold. And this is the second one. There's just so much detail in these guys. I've never seen anything like them. Let me know in the comments below if you know anything about these or have seen any like these. They have nothing on the bottom. And actually I did get these for $1 each. They were half price that day. So, and then the third one is this one. I'll get you in a little closer on these because I just thought they were so unique. I just want you to see all this detail that has gone into these. Get these in a little closer for you so you can really see them. And there's the last one. So yeah, I really like these. And I have 3 more men, 3 Wise Men. I'll have to back up because these are pretty tall. And they are just the white ceramic. Actually, I haven't seen these before either, but they don't seem to be quite as unique to me as the gold ones. And here's the second one. And I can't remember, let's see. I paid $1.99 each for these. These were not on sale. And the back. And then the last one is this one. I'm trying to get that glare off of them so you can see them. Okay, so that's it for my haul, guys. Let me know which of the items you like the best in the comments below. Thank you so much, Nicole, for hosting this collab today. This is my first time participating in Nicole's Thriftmas in July. So until next time, guys, I wish you happy thrifting. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Like, comment, and share. Have a great day. I'll see you in my next video.